It's a new 2024 Cadillac XT6. No matter where you look, no matter where you sit, the XT6 is always just right. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.